pretty cool feature right here. You got your 110 plugs and you got a 240. You can actually charge another EV off of this thing.
That is pretty cool.
And then the tonneau cover.
Yeah,
it's pretty slick. Watch this. With all the lighting.
That is pretty cool.
Ta-da!
That is pretty cool.
Lightweight tailgate.
That is pretty cool.
All right, Sean, you got to get in here. You got to check it out. All right, guys, here we are, Chicago Auto Show 2024. And what do you think we're in? Tesla Cybertruck. I know it's not on brand for us, but we can't deny it is fast. And it is full of cool things to check out. I like all the funny things that you can do with it. Like my favorite right here is, remember when Elon broke the windshield at the unveiling?
Yes, that's awesome. That is awesome.
Leave it to them. They put in all types of funny things. Gosh, I don't know enough about Teslas. Like, this is maybe the second Tesla I've ever been in, but I wonder if I could shut the tonneau cover on and watch this. We got people back there looking at it. Okay, here we go. Let's shut it.
Close it. Close it. Close it.
Yeah. Ooh. Ah. Yeah.
It's ghost riding.
Another thing I like about it, as you can see on the picture, we got a massive sunroof, moonroof, whatever you want to call it. And I do have to
look at this windshield.
Oh, dude, it's huge.
It's humongous.
It goes forever. If like you had your phone up there and you lost it, you're done.
Yeah, you're losing done. It. It's gone forever.
I will have to say, I'm quite comfortable in these seats. Yeah, big man approved, because I'm pretty comfortable right now. And you check this out. It should work. You have phone chargers up here.
Nice.
Look at that. You got two. So nice. That's pretty smooth. Like I said, don't know too much about them, but yeah, they do say you can lower this truck to put it in like a more sport mode, and we'll get a video of that. So check this out. But until we figure out how to do it. Oh yeah. Oh, we're dropping. Get ready. Oh shit!
We just smashed.
We just broke something.
We just broke.
Hopefully the camera went in the wheel well or something. Oops! Shit.
We just broke a Cybertruck.
Well, yeah, we'll go. We'll take it back up high. Let's uncrush whatever we crushed. This is why we can't have fancy things.
Yes, we can have fancy things.
Give us older cars with big motors.
Yes.
Oh man. Pretty sure they're gonna ask us to leave.
You need to leave.
Yes. Your time here has expired. It's time for you to go.
Okay, well I guess we're not going into the high ride height.
Nope. Someone's stuck under there.
We crushed someone.
Hey, look, you can stick your head under here. Pop!
I don't know what this is, but we'll check it out. Ooh, let's set the mood, everybody. Let's get cozy. Baby, turn the lights down low. Put some music that's soft and slow. Yeah. Yes. Ooh. God damn you, Elon.
Right?
Make me feel sexy up in this thing. How do we turn it?
Yes, thank you.
Yes, hold on. Emissions test. Fart on demand. I'm so ready. Okay, no, I'm random. Okay. A short ripper?
Yes.
How do we turn the volume up? We need more volume up in this thing. There we go. Here we go. We're doing big farts now. See, I'll tell you.
Oh gosh.
We're too childish to have a Tesla.
Yes.
Sorry. Ludicrous fart.
Oh.
See, this isn't your normal car reviews. This is what we're reviewing.
Yes.
We're reviewing all the fart noises.
We're not going to look at any other vehicles at the auto show. That's not a wet. Verified fart.
Oh shit! What do we do?
Oh, they're closing the door.
Okay. All right. Oh. And you see his has little fart things.
Yes.
Oh, that is great. Okay, here we go. Oh wait, no. This is the show. We'll have to have them. We'll have to have them do the show so we can watch it. What's the boombox? No. We can do.
Oh wait.
Base. God. Are they laughing at that? We're farting on him out there, man. All right, let's get out of here.